Hi, I'm Mary the Medicine Woman, and this video goes along with my blog post entitled A Wolf in Sheep's Clothing, which is all about dressing for success. A lot of people commented on that post and made a really good point about clothes making you feel confident. So I have some examples from the viewers as well as from my own rather extensive closet. I really do love clothes. I think they're so much fun and a great way for me personally to express myself, because my field as a pharmacist is very non-creative, and it should be. We don't want any pharmacist getting creative with people's medications. So it's a way for me to kind of mesh these two worlds, the creative side of me and the very analytical, serious side of me at work. So Dan, my buddy Dan, go Dan, he has a big interview today to get a promotion, and he had the idea that he wanted to get a new shirt and tie, and I thought that's a great idea because it's going to make him feel confident, and this shirt and tie is going to represent his new future, and he's going to get that job. So he was shooting me some examples on the phone, and we settled on a deeper blue for a shirt. His shirts were a little bit pale, and he has really great blue eyes, and the deeper blue just kind of read serious and sophisticated. And then we paired it with a tie with some blue and some yellow with a stripe. Looked very modern. He looked amazing. I'm sure he's gonna have the confidence to kill it at this interview. So if we want to talk about color, in my own closet, I have a blue that I just love to wear. It's this color blue. It flatters my skin tone. The color should always flatter your skin tone. And if you don't know, you just kind of hold it up, and if you look sick, it doesn't work. And if you look happy, it works. So, and it's also good because it's a blank slate. I can put some jewelry on there. So that's a favorite. And this is a blue generally that flatters all skin tones. And when you work under fluorescent lights like I do, and maybe many of you do, the paler colors kind of wash you out. So a saturated tone is really a nice way to look healthy and confident and feel really good when you're at work. Another comment came in from Sam, and this started with this amazing wedding dress that she had posted on Instagram. It was just absolutely beautiful. So we started to talk about clothes, and she said although her dress code is very casual at work, she likes to dress up. She likes to wear sweaters and skirts and dresses, and although you can wear anything, she chose that. And then as the months kind of went on, as the dress code was a little bit down, she said people commented on they commented that they love how she dresses up. And that makes her feel probably part of the team, gives her confidence, and she likes standing out in that way. So, insofar as a really nice dress, one of my favorites is, where's my favorite? I don't even know how old this is, but I love the color. Put the white lab coat over it. Don't really need much in the line of jewelry. And it cuts me in a good place. I'm short. So this dress makes me feel tall because it seems like the bottom half is longer. And when I feel tall, I feel more confident. And when I feel more confident, whatever I'm telling my patients that they have to do to take care of themselves may sink in a little bit more, because my confidence is going to rub off on them, kind of like what Sam said. And then what somebody else said in a comment is that she dresses up and feels that others see that and they also up their game a little bit. And I thought, well, that's a win-win for everybody. Kind of the confidence is spreading. Another thing that I like to do that's really relevant for right now, because many of us are being seen from the waist up, right? Zoom meetings, people are working from home. For me, it's the drive-through window. That's basically my only contact with people now is the drive-through window. So I'm from the waist up. So I thought, besides color that makes me feel good and looks good under the fluorescent lights and with the white lab coat, jewelry is a great way to have some fun and just bring a little bit of joy to my sick patients. So I have some examples of my favorite pieces. This is a super fun piece from Lenora Dame. These are superheroes. And so the colors are great. They go with a lot of things, and then it makes me feel like a superhero at work when I wear this little piece. I've got this that I love. I wore this for a long time. It hits in the right spot, so it's kind of elongating. May not be able to see this at the drive-through window, but it has a picture in the locket of Michael Phelps. So this was when I really wanted to get in touch with my inner Olympian. Like, work was hard, I was tired, and I'm like, Michael Phelps, he will be my totem animal at work. What else do we have that's fun? Oh, this is a bit much, but I would not wear that with this because it's all a little bit crazy. But against black, it's kind of fun. And it looks like gumballs, which reminds me of childhood, which makes me feel nostalgic and when things were simpler. So that's when I would wear this. This little piece from Zenzi. These look like angels. So I wear this when I need to get in touch with the angels as like a kind of protection. So that this necklace makes me feel protected, and it really is flattering. It hits in a really nice spot, so I really love it. And of course the classic dinosaur necklace. I don't know, everyone loves this. All the customers, my patients, love this necklace. It has these cute little plastic dinosaurs on it. It makes me happy. It just makes me realize that I can be seen, and if I'm seen, then I can be heard and have an impact on people. And I know that seems a lot for jewelry, but that's just how I feel about it. And this I love because it has two of my favorite things, sparklies and a tassel. And I love this because my brother gave this to me, and I just thought that was so sweet. He bought it on a whim, and when I wear it, I think about being loved, and that makes me happy. So all of this is basically to say to have some fun with your clothes, wear colors that make you happy, that flatter your skin tone. If you look good, you feel good, and if you feel good and confident, you can do your best work. And I know you're out there doing your best work, and I'm here for you. So keep going. Thank you for watching. Peace.